You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Is conducting thorough inspections. Hundreds of flights canceled. Today, more than without power. All of it having a harrowing holiday weekend with more than 60 tornadoes destroying her home and sent her back to flying. Her two baby grandsons inside.
Pretty incredible story. Maggie Vespa joining us now live in Dawson Springs, Kentucky. Maggie, we're learning more about the power of the tornadoes that tore through there.
Yeah, Lester, we're not talking about 4 consecutive tornadoes. The National Weather Service is the one that swept through here and obliterated this home. Was an 60 tornadoes reported across 14 states, including Kentucky, where Clara Rice's worst nightmare repeated itself. This is not the first tornado that you've been through.
Tonight, Texas in the bullseye again, with flash floods stunning drivers in Dallas and lightning potentially setting a suburban church and multiple homes on fire, say authorities. Heavy rain and winds flipping semis.
Shit.
Yo, what up?
Bro, you ain't gonna believe this. or you might actually believe it given the line of work that we in.
Okay, what's up, bro? What's going on?
2:30 in the morning, and the model just canceled on me.
She just canceled.
Just canceled on me.
At 2:30 in the morning, just canceled.
2:30 in the morning, and I literally just talked to her yesterday just to verify that she was good, and she said she was good.
Bruh, you already know how I feel about this, but I'm gonna beat a dead horse. Like, why would she tell you she was good just to turn around and cancel? Like, what was the point of that, bro?
Right. And, you know, when we talk about doing these events, and I always say, like, it's no pressure or anything, the main thing that I hate is no pressure, but I hate having to put my dependence in other people because they always let you down. It's always, bro.
Yeah, honestly, man, I don't even know how you do it, to keep it real with you, bro, because you do these events, you putting your name out there, you relying on these models and the people you working with to uphold what they supposed to do to make sure that you don't look stupid out here, bro. I don't know how you do it, because I know if it was me, I probably would have done one of these and that's it. So I don't know how you do it, but man, I can't say I'm surprised, bro.
Man, it just need to be some accountability. Honestly, man, you know, I just need the models to understand that I'm not asking you to model because I need you. And I don't mean that in a harsh way. I'm asking you to model because I trust you and I believe in you. And, you know, I'm starting to think that, you know, the relationship that I think that I have with some of these models isn't what I thought it was.
Which is crazy. And it's just like, if you're going to commit to something, just commit to something. That's all we asking for, right? Like, we ain't really asking for nothing crazy. We done talked about this before. It's like, if you're going to commit, especially for something like this, all we saying is commit. If you say you're going to come, come. I know things happen, but if you say you're going to come, just come through. That's it. That's all we asking for. We ain't asking for much. I mean, am I crazy? Am I asking for too much?
Hey, bro, you hit it right on the head. You know, my flight in a couple hours, I gotta finish getting packed. So I'm about to go ahead, finish packing the rest of the stuff, head to the airport. But I'll see you when I touch down in Dallas.
Hey, bro, I'm trusting you got it, man. I'm gonna be on my way soon, so hopefully you work something out, dog.
Hey, listen, I'm on Instagram right now, reaching out to models.
Hey, you got it, bro.
All right.
All right, bro.
Bet.
Hey girls, y'all come on and eat.
What a surprise! When did you guys get here?
Oh, y'all up to no good?
Are you up to no good? Like, it's not like
Oh Lord.
we could have caught y'all lacking. Yeah, we like literally.
Did you guys feel anybody staring at you?
Oh, y'all was what?
When you were backing up the car, we were like,
We literally stared down all the way, like parking.
I gotta get on my game because usually, you know what I'm saying?
Caught y'all lacking.
no, yeah. You were sitting under the trees, like,
Y'all parked horribly, first of all. Yes, you're way too close to the slingshot.
really close. I thought you was finna hit it. Yeah.
You were something else, you know what I mean? Something else.
My mom told me that.
Yeah.
Good.
You need to grab anything extra?
Get the portal. Show everybody the portal. We have a portal in here.
Okay, we about to jump into the portal.
TikTok on the phone. Yeah, I mean, you didn't get the witchcraft explanation. What happened?
We out. We outside. Yeah.
I got me a little belt ring. Oh yeah. We stronger than the mirror. Hey.
I let it go in it.
You good?
Where we gonna fit it?
Yeah,
Ain't that fun?
yeah, where we gonna fit it?
Coming or not, steady moving like a check when it bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say they good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Lost a couple on the way, but I think it's for better. Yeah, you know I'm with my buddies, it don't matter the wedding. Is she gone, and I ain't going with her. Yeah, I'm not following these hoes, man, I learned for the better. No, you can't take along, we ain't got room in the sprinter. I got some stones around my neck to keep it colder than winter. I guess to tell you truth is, I've been hurting and stressing. I don't want no new.
You got the whole setup, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Lost a couple on the way, but I think it's for better. Yeah, you know I'm with my buddies, it don't matter the wedding. Is she gone, and I ain't going with her. Yeah, I'm not following these hoes, man, I learned for the better. No, you can't take along, we ain't got room in the sprinter. I got some stones around my neck to keep it colder than winter. I guess to tell you truth is, I've been hurting and stressing. I don't want no new friends, I've been learning my lesson. I don't want my old friends coming back when I'm better. Waiting for you, pray for you, and I said let it go. Circle getting smaller,
There you
baby.
go. Alright, now go ahead, check it. On there. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Circle getting smaller, bank account getting bigger. I'm with my team in the hills, and we chillin' with a couple bad ones, and they running their mouth on. I grew up in the Bay, the other one from the south. I don't know how I get home, but I figured it out. She said, okay, got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when it bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills, and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the.
That was all your fault right there.
One more shot, I had to give one more
Yeah. Hey, but how that scenery look up there? Fire.
Couple bad ones and they running their mouth on. I grew up in the Bay, the other one from the south. I don't know how I get home, but I figured it out. She said, okay, got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when it bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say they good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I'm okay, it don't matter what they say, we gon' figure it out. the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.